Jai Srimanarayana, 8th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Prakrutim Svam Avashtabhya Visrujami Punah Punaha Bhutagramam Imam Kritsnam Avasam Prakrutehe Vasat Om. Under Sri Krishna's will, this entire universe is manifested again and again. In that process, you come into existence. As you enter into the body, you lose your real wisdom and you become helpless. That is why you have to take only Sri Krishna Paramatma's help to realize and to attain the ultimate goal of your life. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I realize that as I enter into the body, I lose my wisdom, I become helpless. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall take your help, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu, 10th Skandham, 84th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Putana, because she gave milk to Sri Krishna, she attained supreme state. Sri Krishna Paramatma, Bhagavan Devaki Putraha Kaivalyat Akhila Pradaha." He can grant any number of boons, that includes even Sakshat Moksham also. To such Devadeva Sri Krishna Paramatma, all the Gopikas are giving extreme amount of showing extreme amount of affection and feeding him milk. For doing all that, Gopikas, even after they depart from their body, na punah kalpate rajan samsaraha ajnana sambhavaha. We should not even think that they would again come back to this cycle of birth and death. They will definitely attain moksham. So anyway, now Nanda Maharaju, after burnt out Putana's body, he came back to his home. ఇంటికి జని గోపికల చేతన్ రక్కసి చేతలు అన్నియున్ ఎరింగి వెరుగుపడి పాపని లేపి శ్రంబున్ మూర్కొని ముద్దాడి ముదంబునన్ మూర్ధ్ని ఉపాఘ్రాయ పరమాం ముదం లేభే. Nanda Maharaju came back and heard all the activities of Putana from other Gopikas. He got shocked. He immediately took Balakrishna into his lap. He kissed on Balakrishna's head and he felt happy that Krishna got out from such a huge, big danger. Like that, when Sri Sukha Yogendra said, Parikshit Narendra again asking, "Ho Yogendra, ye avatarambulan, ye karmamulu chesan Isudu, Hari Bhadrayatanamulu. Please disclose all other activities of Krishna Paramatma to me." Like that, Parikshit Narendra asking. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter 8th sloka. Prakritim svam avashtabhya visrujami punah punaha bhutagramamimam kritsnam avasam prakrutervashat. Prakritim svam avashtabhya visrujami punah punaha bhutagramamimam kritsnam avasam prakrutervashat. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.